Introducing the Slimline from the Classic Chic collection. A power-packed, lightweight, slim vibe made of a safe and pure hard plastic. This elegant and stylish vibe is 6 3/4 inches long and 1 1/4 inches wide and can be used to stimulate any part of your body. It's easy to use. Just twist the end cap to change the multi-speed vibrations. This white vibe uses 2 C batteries. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Slimline with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Slim, classic, and elegant, like you. The Classic Chic Slimline.